Hello friends, welcome to Learn1. In previous lecture, we have learned the block introduction. Now we will see practical examples of simple block. Here I am creating one definition, that is def greeting, and I am writing some methods, or let's say I am writing some welcome message. Let's say hello world, and yield statement that will call to our block, and some exit message, let's say thank you, and our definition end. Now I am writing block. Block name must be same with method definition, so that is again greetings. And my block starts. Let's say I am writing one welcome message, that is put as welcome to Learn1, and my block definition ends. And here we have output. It will go with method definition and it will execute its first line. Here it is hello world, so we have hello world as output. Then by using this yield method, it goes for my block and it will execute it. So we have second line, that is welcome to Learn1, and again flows goes back to my method definition and it will execute the last line of my definition, that is thank you. So here is our final output. So this is how we can write simple block in Ruby. In next lecture, we will learn the practical of block with single argument.